Here in the technical shop we're going to be wiring some connectors, some XLR connectors to some audio wires. I find the easy way to do that is to put these in a vise and just clamp them gently. Try to get the whole body, but just clamp it gently in here with the terminal sticking out on this side. And then you put the wire over the soldering cup, heat up the soldering cup. At the same time you heat the wire, and watch it fall into the cup, get all shiny, which it has done. And there I have a good connection right there, two of them. Next I'm going to hook the shield up to the last terminal, which is terminal 1. So I put one on top, clamp it gently in the vise, take the shield, rotate it up into its soldering cup, heat that sucker up, heating the cup and the wire at the same time. Oh, nice. Then you hold it till the solder firms up, about 2 or 3 seconds. Take it out and examine it. I have got red is pin 2, black is pin 3, shield is pin 1. That is all fixed up. The next thing I like to do is go ahead and put here's the other end of the wire. I'm going to install the back end of the XLR onto there. Get it going. And get this little notch aligned. The last step you do with that is you take a screwdriver and you screw this so it lines up. The screw comes up as you screw it, so it will no longer pull out. Then you tighten these two, which clamps this rubber thing on the wires, but not too tight because you'll deform the rubber and it will fly out of here. Not fly, but literally slowly squirt out of there over time. Okay, now I've got the wire captured by those screws. I've got this part of the thing captured by that screw. And now I have one connector on the wire, nothing on the other end yet. Next I'm going to prepare the other end. First you cut these to a reasonable length. I like to twist them, tin them. Throw them in the vise. Going to tin them, but just puts a little bit of solder on the ends. Got that. Nice. A little bit of solder on those. Pull this out of the vise. The next step is to grab the next XLR connector right here. I'm going to be soldering the red wire to pin 2, which is one of these. I've got pin 2 up. I've lightly clamped it. I've got the red wire on top. Up the solder in the cup, heating up the wire in the cup. Now the two have melded together into one really nice shiny thing. Here's what we ended up with. Then you put pin 3 in there. A little bit more solder in this cup. Loaded that up. Whew. Done that one. Pin 2, pin 3. Next I'm going to put one on shield.